Hello guys, so we're here at Northern Lights again. I'm gonna do some quick video. We have some cars here. Hi Glenn, how's it going, man?
Okay.
Say hi. I'm good, I'm good.
Enjoying the day so far?
Yes, of course.
That's good.
Yay, too much. Dami.
Nung saan yung mga DeLorean mo? Ay ano? Queen? Sa bahay?
Sa bahay. Meron ako tatlo yun.
Kunin ko yun na. Hindi, yes. Wala sa luwa.
Yeah.
But they're not in boxes.
That's nice.
So what do people do? They just get
So let's check out these cars. Like, yeah. Nice cars. Hey Martin. Thank you guys.
You should go and take a video of his collection.
Oh yeah? Well, one time you need to show me.
You're gonna come over. It's a massive BMW.
Hey birthday boy. Keith, say hi.
What up? What's going on, guys?
What kind of camera is that?
It's
That's
a
tiny.
Osmo Pocket.
Oh, shit.
What?
Oswald
You should have this
Pocket.
one.
Yo, he got you there, bro. He got you there.
Because I've seen all your videos, so you need something compact. So
You just see this
Yes,
man's
I got
real.
GoPro. I got-
You just see this man's real how it is. So, yeah.
hey Paul, how's it going? Some nice cars here.
Hello, did you have any questions at all?
Yeah, so that's other part of the show. Okay, is nice.
Yeah, I've seen them.
Hello guys, so we're back at home. It was a good day. So I'm just gonna show you guys what we got from the show. So special thanks to Keith's Model Cars and I forgot his name, Martin for the nice deals that you gave me and nice cars. Hope to see you guys again next month. And so let me just show you a quick glimpse of the cars that I bought, and I will do a separate videos of each, like reviews and unboxing. We got this one from Martin, this one from the other guy, I forgot his name, thank you so much Martin, this one from Keith, and this one from other sellers. So yeah, so just wait for the videos for this one, individual videos, unboxing and reviews, and see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much. Bye.